welcome to this week's assembly, and it seems that summer has arrived. Look at this, I'm in my shorts. We're going off for a little walk again. This week is Mental Health Week, and this week we're just going to learn a little bit about how being outdoors can do absolute wonders for your well-being and make you feel better. So let's go and explore a bit. So here we are out in the countryside, just above Whitby. If you look at the distance, you can just about make out Whitby and the cliffs. How lucky are we to live in this area? All of you can leave your front doors and within a matter of 10-15 minutes at the most can be out in the country and exploring wild places. So please get out and do that. Now, one of the massively important things about being in nature is not just strolling through it and ignoring it. It's about taking notice of things, taking the time, discovering it. Now, off on my walk today, I have got a new toy. It's fantastic. Downloaded it from Tinternet, and what it does, it's an app. There's lots of different ones. It's called Picture This. You can walk around and you can take a photo of something, a plant, a flower, and it'll tell you what it is. It's amazing. So for example, I can look at this tree here. I know this is a beech tree, but I'm going to test it. There we go. Click the button and it thinks about it for a little bit, and then it tells me common beech tree. This has changed my life, this toy. I'm out exploring all the time now, trying to find things. I suggest you have a go too. So even better view here of Whitby, and I can actually see all the way from Whitby up to Helrydale Road. Probably just make out our school. Let's wave to Estelle. Hi Estelle, hope you're all right. Missing you, sort of. So when we're out like this, it's really important just to take some time. If we've learned anything from this awful crisis, it's about the need just to slow down sometimes a bit and enjoy what we've got. Whether that's what you smell, like this amazing May blossom here, which is all around me, or what we just listen to, the birds, the bees. Or even actually just touching stuff like this. Like, I think, what does it feel like? Okay? Or like these nettles. Ow! Not such a good idea. Just take it on board and experience it and live it. That's what we're here for. So about 3 weeks ago I was filming and I was showing you the May blossom just starting to come out. And look at it now, look at this one here. It is absolutely just exploded into life. It smells amazing. There's a lot of research at the moment about forests and woodland and how they have this amazing effect on our mental health and our well-being. In fact, I've just been reading that the NHS is actually investing in planting forests and prescribing them as a cure for people who are feeling down, depressed, anxious, to get out there and just be in nature and take part of it. And we've got this on our doorsteps. It's absolutely stunning. Sorry if I'm going on a bit about it, but I just love it. So here I am with my new app. Let's have a look what we've got here. Click. Tells me it's stitchwort. What else have we got? Find something else. This stuff, this sticky stuff, which we call Sticky Willy, is actually called cleavers. There we go. Let's try one more. Oh, here. These are beautiful. Forget-me-nots. See, it tells me everything. And then you can just go off and explore everywhere. I'm off to explore. Bye.